Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. I'm here in my funky jumper, just loving the jumper at the minute, sorry. I've done nails inspired by the jumper. If you've not seen that one, you need to check that video out. But before that, watch this video. We're going to do marbling with some really bright colours, but we're going to make them sugared. We're going to add a bit of sugar to it. So I'm going to work on Andrea's nail. She has a stiletto nail on that's been filled. She's had it on for quite some time, but we filled it. I'm going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution, just to make sure it's nice and clean. And we're going to use an array of colours. Clashing colours. That's what we're going to use. It's all about clashing colours. Bang on trend. So I've got some backing paper off a sculpting form, and I'm going to just put a little dollop of each colour. I say each colour other than, I'm going to use that as the base colour, other than Flame Point. Flame Point is going to be used as our base colour, but we'll need a little bit of these. So we've got, the red is Candy Apple, the purple is Glass and a Half, and then we've got one of the favourites, Snow White. So let's use Flame Point, and we're going to do a very thin layer. This is going to be there for colour. It's also going to add as a slip. So when I say that, I live in Stoke-on-Trent, and the industry that Stoke-on-Trent is very popular for is the pottery industry. It's that popular that our Prime Minister actually made a visit to one of our factories the other day. Did you see that?
Yes, I did.
Which factory was it? Was it in Bridgewater?
No.
No, who was it?
I was going to tell you all of a sudden then.
So when I'm saying slip, now, in the pottery industry, you need a product called slip, which is basically watered down clay, and they use that when they're putting the handles on and everything like that because it's slippy. They can move things around, and this is what this base layer is going to act as. So when I put these colours on, they will slip and slide, and I can move them around. Right, so we're going to take the red, and I'm just going to pull through randomly. And then a bit of the white. So random, you don't want to take over the back, that sort of slip colour, but you want to add these colours to it. So now I'm going to clean my brush. And then we're going to come in the opposite direction. We're going to wave through. This marbled effect. It kind of looks like a water marble or a resin design. All these resin designs on YouTube are quite popular at the minute. This kind of gives that similar effect. So once you are happy with your design, you can always add a little bit more, as I'm adding a little bit white here. Just need to break up that red. Once you're happy with that, you're not going to cure it. Now this pot, I've mixed up some superfine glitter and clear acrylic. So you've got to have clear acrylic with this because we want to show through the pattern underneath. Comprende? And we're going to add a little bit of sugar now. How many sugars do you take, Andrea? None. Too sweet.
Yes,
I take one sugar. Adam takes one sweetener. Can you imagine? We'll add a sweetener to the nail.
Yeah, it's not saying.
Not saying it.
Def Leppard didn't sing for some sweetener in me either, did they?
No. I mean, I think.
Sweetener, sweetener, do 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 do. Honey, honey. It doesn't work, does it?
No. That's not saying.
Tap the nail just so you can tap off the excess and bang that in the lamp. This is my favourite bit, is when we dust off the excess and you are left with this gorgeous sparkle and velvet finish. How cool is that? I'm going to put some cuticle oil on. Not going to go berserk with it though. Just going to add it to the skin. Don't want to put it on the nail because don't want to ruin the design. Now I think that's a super quick, salon friendly nail design to do. Super easy. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed in that description box. If you don't know where the description box is, it's below the screen thing that you're looking at now. You tap down, there's like a triangle pointing down, isn't there? And it's in there. That was my stomach, not my ass.
Time for food.
See you later. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Not going to go berserk with it then. Can
So
go
I
a
just
bit.
imagined you going berserk with cuticle oil going. "Rah!"
I do get berserk a bit.
Kirsty's lost it, she's gone berserk with